Calligraphy, often called the art of beautiful writing. This timeless craft has roots in ancient Egypt, Mesopotamia, and China, evolving from simple record-keeping to an expressive art form admired worldwide. Different civilizations developed their own styles of calligraphy. In Islamic culture, Arabic calligraphy became a sacred expression of worship. In East Asia, Chinese and Japanese calligraphy connected philosophy with emotion, where each brushstroke reflected the writer's state of mind. In the West, Gothic, Italic, and Copperplate scripts emerged, celebrated for their elegance during the Renaissance. Even in today's digital age, calligraphy continues to thrive. From graphic design and event invitations to personal branding, handwritten forms bring a sense of artistry that technology alone cannot replace. Many modern calligraphers blend traditional techniques with digital tools, keeping the art alive and evolving. To practice calligraphy, the tools matter: fountain pens, dip pens, and brush pens. Each create unique effects: smooth ink flow, high-quality paper, and guides for spacing help turn practice into polished masterpieces. At its core, calligraphy is about mastering strokes, letter forms, and spacing to achieve harmony on the page. But beyond beauty, calligraphy offers surprising benefits. It improves fine motor skills, sharpens focus, and promotes mindfulness. Each deliberate stroke becomes a form of meditation, reducing stress and fostering creativity. From ancient scrolls to modern design, calligraphy bridges history, culture, and self-expression. Whether you're looking to start a new hobby or explore a career in lettering, calligraphy remains an art that speaks across generations. For more knowledge and detailed insights, visit HUMANITYUAPD.com.